Welcome back to my channel, everybody. Today I have another unboxing coming at you, so stay tuned to see what I purchased on Fashionphile. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below. Hit the notification bell right next to the subscribe button and hit the like button for this video if you want to see more content like it. But for real, hit the subscribe button. I'd really, truly from the bottom of my heart appreciate it. It really does help my channel grow when YouTube in the algorithm sees that people are liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. So I really, really appreciate it. For real, hit the subscribe button. Subscribe! Okay, you guys, it's that time again. I have yet another unboxing for you. As you know by this point, a lot of the unboxings I'm doing are from Fashionphile, and a large part of that is because I sold them quite a few pieces from my collection that I no longer wore. So if you're interested in, what I sold, why I sold it, all that, I'll have a complete video about everything I sold in 2021 coming out, later this year, early 2022. But in the meantime, if you want to see some of the pieces that I sold, I will link a video here for you to go check out so you can see the pieces that I sold, some of the pieces that I sold. So I chose to take Fashionphile credit for it. And with it, I've been able to purchase, my Speedy B 25 in the Damier Azur. I was also able to purchase my Hermes Cavi card holder in the Epsom leather. And I'm really enjoying this piece thus far, so I'll do a whole review on that. And then of course this piece, and I have another piece that's on the way, and I still have a credit left over.
Can you believe it?
So I feel like Fashionphile gave me really, really fair prices for everything I sold to them. So let's just jump right in and take a look at this. I'm going to compare it to how Fashionphile had it listed to what I actually received. I think you guys like to see that so you know how accurate Fashionphile descriptions are. So let's just jump into it, shall we? First off, this one came in this giant box, and it comes with this, it says pilfer proof tape, meaning nobody can pilfer it. But this one came like this, so I am actually interested to see. I don't think that means anybody pilfered it. I think it just came undone. So let me open this up and show you what I got. Okay, you guys, y'all know Fashionphile, they pack it up like this. There was confetti all over the top of it, so I actually removed all that so that it wasn't dropping everywhere. There's still some that is going to fall. They sent it, it's like pink and gray. It's really cute, but it gets really annoying too. So let me get this out of the box and show you what I got. All right, so here in the box, shop sale repeat. This is the receipt and that kind of stuff in here. I usually don't open it unless I need to. I got another nail file, and then down here is the item.
The item we've all been waiting for.
So it comes wrapped up like this. Used as the new. Oh my gosh, so much confetti. All right, any guesses? Do you have any guesses? I'm sure it's in the title, so you probably already know what it is that I got. I will explain myself, but I got a Neverfull MM. Oh my goodness, in the Damier Azur. It's so pretty. All right, you guys know that I have fallen hard for the Azur, obviously. And let's go over this bag, and then I'll tell you the story about it in a minute. So on Fashionphile, it's listed in good condition. It is 13 inches by 11 inches by 5.5 inches wide. And this was made in the year 2009. And they listed it in good condition, exterior structure wear, which means like this is bending in like this over back here. Patina of vachetta. The vachetta is pretty patinaed. Edge wear, stains, faint corner wear. And I'm telling you what, the corner wear is very, very faint. Let me show you the corners here. Let's see, making sure you can see it there. I'll try to zoom in on those so you can really see it, but the corner wear is, whatever. The handle has creases, scuffs, patina, liquid marks. let's see, creases, scuffs, like there's a scuff here on the chap. I don't see any creases, but yeah, there's some scuffs, whatever. And then hardware, faint scratches. That's gonna happen in literally every bag you have that has hardware on it. And interior, it says there's a stain. So the Neverfull has this locking mechanism up here that you can just undo like that. And the interior is, it's just dirty looking, but it's not terrible. And I'll pop pictures in here of what the pictures are that they had on there. I think it's really, really accurate to the pictures that they had in there. Let me open this or pull this back. Usually the number is, yep. So when you look in underneath here, you pull this back, the number is under here on this little tab here. And this one is AR4099, which means it was made in the 49th week of 09. 09 is the year that my husband and I got married, so let's pretend that's why I chose this one. All right, is that not so pretty? It is in really good condition. Like, the worst thing about it to me is the patina is so dark, but the reason I got it is because I wanted a dark patina. I literally wanted a bag that I could throw around. Hear me out. When I say throw around, I don't mean throw around to like hurt it, scuff it, whatever, but I wanted one that I'm not at all like nervous to carry. And my Noe BB, I absolutely love. I carry it all the time, even with that whole leather bottom down there, but I still am very careful with it. Like, I kind of baby it to a point. Babying it is the wrong word, but you know what I mean. I'm just really careful with it. So I decided this was the way to go. The whole story is I was looking at the Chanel 19 because I had a lot of credit with Fashionphile. And I was really about to pull the trigger on a medium size. Well, I guess it's technically large, so it's the middle size of the Chanel 19, black. It was gorgeous. And I was like, I always run it past my husband, not because he gives me permission to spend my purse money. It was more like, hey, you know me best out of everybody. What do you think about this purse for me? And he was like,
do you really love it? Are you going to carry it?
I was like, I don't know. Now you're making me doubt.
He goes, okay, just hear me out. Like, do you really want one purse for all that money? Or do you want to get multiple purses that you can have that you know you love?
And I was like, dang it, right again. He is such a smart man. So he literally, like, we were laying in bed the one night and I was just scrolling Fashionphile. And I had told him, like, I really wanted a Damier Azur. Y'all know I've had 4 Neverfulls. I still have one Neverfull GM in the monogram with the Pavillon interior. It's actually what I'm carrying right now. And I really love the Neverfulls, but I decided to sell my MMs. I sold my Damier Ebene GM. I just felt like it was too repetitive, too many of the same purses in my collection. So now I have a Neverfull GM and the Pavillon interior with the monogram, and a Neverfull MM with the Damier Azur and a really beautiful honey patina. I know some people think that this looks like dirty and gross and nasty. I don't care what they think because I love it. Like, and I knew that I wanted the medium size again. So Fashionphile delivered yet again. Good job, Fashionphile. So just for price point reference, for this used of a bag, it did not come with a pouch or anything, a pochette or anything like that. This was $895 plus tax. I purchased it and another item together. The other item has not come yet. They were coming from 2 separate warehouses, so that one hasn't come yet. But I feel like $895 plus tax, so like right around probably like $940 something. I feel like that's a really good price. Right now, I believe these are going for around $1,500 plus tax on the website. I think it's $1,500 something. If I'm wrong, I'll put that price in here. What they're going for new with the pochette. And even if this had come with a pochette, I don't end up using my pouches, but like, I keep them. I just still love them. I think they're the cutest things ever. And I think they're a really good pouch to have inside of a purse. So this is my newest acquisition, you guys. I am going to switch into it immediately and love it. I'm really, really excited to start carrying this one. So I hope you enjoyed this reveal, a small review, all of that about this purse. I am going to cut this tag off and own this bag. So it's mine. Thank you guys again for watching. I hope you enjoyed this, and I will talk to you later. Bye. Oh, I love it. Daisy, what are you doing? Unbox. Yet another unboxing. If you want to see more content like it. Ugh. And the Epsom lever. I was also able to purchase my Hermes Cavi card holder in the Epsom lever. It's new. Used is the new. I'm sure it's in the description.